If your car doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, this upgrade might be exactly what you need. Today, I'm reviewing the HAUXIY 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen with built-in 4K dash cam, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, letting you access maps, calls, messages, and music without plugging in your phone. Built-in 4K dash cam. It includes a 4K front dash cam, so you get high-quality driving footage while saving space and avoiding extra devices. 9-inch portable touchscreen. The 9-inch HD display is bright, responsive, and easy to see, making navigation and media controls simple while driving. 1080p backup camera. With the included 1080p rear camera, parking and reversing are much safer and easier, especially in tight spaces. GPS navigation, voice control, and Bluetooth. You get built-in GPS navigation, voice control, mirror link, and Bluetooth audio, making this an all-in-one driving solution. All-in-one system, CarPlay plus dash cam plus backup camera. Easy installation with no car modification. Large, clear screen improves driving convenience. Dash cam settings are more basic than dedicated units. Portable mount may not feel as integrated as factory systems. If you want an easy, affordable way to modernize your car with wireless CarPlay, a dash cam, and a backup camera, the HAUXIY CarPlay screen is a smart and convenient upgrade. Upgrade your driving experience today. Click the link in the description to check the latest price on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoy car tech reviews.